This 2025 Keystone Passport Classic 224RK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Indian Valley Camping Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone is 27 feet 3 inches in length and features sleeps 6, leveling jacks, refrigerator, water heater, air conditioning, spare tire kit, auxiliary battery, external shower, TV, LP detector, awning, and 37 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Keystone Passport Classic 224RK is 4,825 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.